Hi, today I'm ready with me DOOGEE S100 and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first we should open the settings and then scroll down to the system. You will see here developer options section. Here we got use developer options switcher. Just to turn off this option we should click to the switcher and now we should restart our device. So tap the restart button and wait just a couple of seconds while your device will restarting. So now just let's open the settings, scroll down, tap to the system and we could see that the developer mode disabled. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.